Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting kitchen gadget that's sure to enhance your cooking experience, the 1800W electric hotplate, specifically designed with a double burner for versatile cooking. We discovered this product online, and you can find the link in the description below to check out its latest price and availability. So, what exactly is this product? The 1800W electric hotplate is a portable cooking stove featuring two cast iron heating plates measuring 7.2 inches and 6.1 inches. It's a great addition to your kitchen, especially if you need a reliable and efficient cooking solution that doesn't take up much space. Let's talk about some of the standout features that make this hotplate a must-have. First and foremost, it boasts a smokeless design. Traditional iron heaters can often emit white smoke during their initial use, but this hotplate eliminates that concern. This feature not only makes it safer to use but also contributes to a more eco-friendly cooking experience. Next up is the fast heating capability. Thanks to its premium cast iron plate design, this countertop burner heats up quickly once plugged in. This means you'll spend less time waiting for your stove to reach the desired temperature and more time enjoying your delicious meals. What sets this hot plate apart from many others is its compatibility with all types of cookware. Whether you have aluminum, copper, cast iron, or non-magnetic stainless steel pots and pans, this electric cooktop can handle them all. With a total rated power of 1800W, split between 800W for the smaller burner and 1000W for the larger one, you have 5 power levels to choose from. This versatility allows you to easily switch between different cooking methods, whether you're stewing, frying, steaming, boiling, sautéing, or grilling. In addition to its performance, the hotplate is also designed with energy efficiency in mind. It operates using heating panels that minimize electromagnetic radiation and maximize cooking performance. This means you can cook with peace of mind, knowing you're making a more energy-efficient choice for your kitchen. Now, who would benefit most from this product? The 1800W electric hotplate is perfect for anyone with limited kitchen space, like college students or those living in smaller apartments. It's also ideal for those who love to entertain, as having an extra burner can come in handy when preparing meals for guests. Additionally, if you enjoy camping or tailgating, this portable cooking stove provides a convenient cooking option on the go. Let's explore some practical use cases for this hotplate. You might find it useful for preparing breakfast items like pancakes or eggs when you have guests over. Or, if you're hosting a dinner party, you can set up a stir-fry station where guests can customize their own meals. It's also wonderful for quick weeknight dinners when you need to whip something up fast without turning on your main stove. Maintenance is straightforward, too. Once you're finished cooking, simply wipe the cooled cooking surface with a clean cloth for easy cleaning. The user manual includes detailed instructions to ensure you get the most out of your hotplate. Plus, if you have any questions or concerns, their customer service team is ready to assist you. Overall, the 1800W electric hotplate is a reliable, efficient, and versatile cooking tool that can enhance your kitchen experience in numerous ways. Whether you're a seasoned cook or just starting your culinary journey, this hotplate is worth considering. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.